Hello, it's Hayley with the Armageddon Report, bringing you a very shallow and brief look at earthquakes. So we basically say, today's strongest earthquake near the east coast of Honshu, Japan, 6.0. They were the biggest one today. On the Did You Feel It map, now according to the articles I've read, the headlines or whatever, there's no serious damage or no damage or whatever it was. But 5I, that's a 6 on the Roman numeral scale. Strong shaking, light damage. So apparently no serious damage. And apparently there was no risk of tsunami, despite headlines that, because they're trying to shorten it, made it actually sound. Several of the headlines read that way, where it sounded like there was a risk of a tsunami. And then you click on the link, it says, and there is no risk of a tsunami. Because, when they've got a whole paragraph to talk about it, then they actually make it easy to comprehend that sort. Moving on. Right, today in the world of severe weather, as it pertains to the United States only, of course, we've got 15, 15 and 5. So we look at the maps and we say 15% chance of severe winds, which should be 58 miles per hour greater. So there's a slight risk area, but 5% chance stretching all the way around there. Hail chance basically looks exactly the same to me. 15% chance of 1 inch or larger hail, and then a 5% risk around it. Tornado, NA size tornado is a severe weather event as high as a 5%. And of course, if you can't read, it's as low as a 2%. So what does that mean? If you don't know what the numbers mean, pick any point in the 5% area, and that means that there is a 5% chance that either that point or someone within a 25-mile radius of that point will see a tornado. Well, or will have to, shelter for a tornado. Maybe they won't be outside and be able to see it, but you know how it goes. They will have a tornado, something like that. Tomorrow, got 2 separate slight risk areas going on. If we look at the probabilities, they're totally disconnected even. So we've got this slight risk area, that's the 15% chance, 5% chance around it, 5% chance stretching quite far south tomorrow. And day 3, it comes back again, wherever it is. It's over here, slight risk. And then, so there's your severe weather. There's a slight risk on day 3, that would be what? Thursday. And then the 5% around it. So yeah, stuff is happening, stuff might happen, I don't know. Apparently there's only been 1 whole storm report since 7 a.m. CDT, so whatever's going on, I don't know. Wicked is WICKEDWX.com. If you can't spell .com, I can't help you. There's also, of course, weather.gov, Storm Protection Center, wherever you want to go, and just Google weather or something if you can't find anything. And yeah, that's it. This is the drop off at the ending where we just say, it's the end.